Hey, how's it going, everybody? Anmol here. Just wanted to make a quick video talking about the pound dollar and the pound Swiss trades that we did in our live Forex community as well as our private Twitter account. So the first trade I want to go over with you is the pound dollar. We had called this trade long in our live Forex room and the private Twitter account right over here. You see how this was a little uptrend line on the pound dollar, where pound dollar sold off right into the uptrend line, shook some people out, tried to make them think that, this trade might be going on the short side, but then ended up reversing right back up with this bullish green candle, engulfing candle, breaking through this downtrend line that we see right over here. And then right here is where we called it long in the private Twitter account, and we placed our stop loss right over here, as you guys can see on the left hand side. And then when we saw this nice bullish candle, got off to a nice start on the pound dollar trade, we then added more, like another lot of the pound dollar long right over here, and we raised the stop on the first one to right over here. So you can see my executions right here on the chart. So the first trade, we got out of it for about a 70 pip gain, and then we held our original position all the way through here. And then when we saw this nice bottoming tail come right back up, this little consolidation area on a 4-hour chart, which was a nice looking breakout. So we added another lot long on the pound dollar right over this area, and I'm going to show you the 4-hour chart in a little bit. And then we wrote all of this up beautifully. This morning we were approaching this little resistance area to the left, so we took one of the positions off, locking in another 70-60 pips gain, and then we held our original core position all the way through here, which I just took profits a few minutes ago right over there for almost about a 250-300 pip gain on the pound dollar as we were approaching this major resistance zone right over here. So you guys can already see my executions here on the chart on the pound dollar. Now let me show you the 4-hour chart. So on a 4-hour chart here, you can see the first position we took long right as the pound dollar got above this little resistance area. That was our first position long. We raised the stop loss right under this base, which you can see here we got trailed out for about a 70 pip gain. Then we added another lot right over here on this 4-hour breakout, and we had one lot originally going all the way from here already. So we took all these lots all the way up, took profits here in the morning on the one of the position, and then second position right over here. So overall, this was a great trade for us. Between these 3 trades that we did, we locked in close to almost 350-400 pips of profit, and this was called live in our private Twitter account. So with our live Forex chat room, what you also get, along with the daily analysis sessions that we do every single day, you get access to our private members only Twitter account, where all these trades are called out beforehand, before they actually trigger, with entry, stop, target, and what my thought process is. So I'll show that to you in a little bit. I want to go over another trade we did, which was the pound Swiss. All right, so if I open up here, let me take a look at my pound Swiss execution. If I go to my account history, by the way, Bitcoin, that was another one we did long, which was a pretty good trade. So let me go to the pound Swiss here, so you can see the same thing here on the pound Swiss. So again, the chart looked exactly similar. What we were looking at on the pound Swiss is we had a bullish move recently right over here, right? You saw this bullish move that happened on the pound Swiss. And after that bullish move, we got a nice looking bull flag pattern, right? Which is also known as a buy setup that we teach in our courses, right? Full turnaround bar, engulfing green candle. And as it broke above this base on the pound Swiss, we took one position long right over here. We added a little bit more, and then just right about there, just a few minutes ago, we ended up locking in our profits for, again, almost about a 250-300 pip gain, which was a sweet trade there on the pound Swiss. Again, textbook right out of our courses, and that ended up being a great trade for us. So really good morning here at the live traders community with the both pound Swiss and pound dollar trades. And we've been talking about these trades for a while. So so you see here, this is our private Twitter account. Again, a small community here we have at live traders. All right, so this is our Twitter account. So you can see here we called on Feb 18th GBPCHF long with a stop loss and a target, and I even gave the exact trade that I'm looking at, playing this as a buy setup entry on the pound Swiss. Hope to see a break outside this bull flag, and I posted where my buy order was, where the stop order was, what the target was, and this morning the target was hit. And then we also did the pound dollar, right? You can see here, pound dollar long. Here's the entry, here's the stop, and I gave the exact setup that I'm looking to do personally here So this was on a weekly chart, a little buy setup after a strong move. This was our entry order. This was our stop loss order, and then this was our target order, which was a fantastic trade. So you can see here on the tweets, you know, we've been adding on this pound dollar trade all along. Pound dollar, add to a long position, right? And then we added again right over here. We were raising stop losses. Pound dollar raised our stop loss right over there, and then right over here you would see that we posted another buy order along. So we did like 3 different trades on it, kept adding to a winning position, and it turned out as a great trade. So again, we would love for you to check us out and, you know, join our community, take a trial. You guys can get a 1-month trial to come check us out, and we post all the recordings. So if you're not able to make it for the daily live sessions, right? We do every day. We do a live session in the room. We even do a live session on Sunday. So we do Monday to Friday live sessions, as well as another live session on Sunday, which is hosted by Lee, who's another one of our members, who's been crushing with the program, and now he does a Sunday review session for our members, and I do a daily live session. And the best part is, if you missed the live daily session, every single day we post recordings. If you missed it, here's a recording for today's session, so you can catch up and see what's happening. Here's a recording for today's session, right? And we keep you posted with when we're raising stop losses, when we are, you know, approaching our target, when we hit the target, and when I'm about to go live in the Forex room, we're lowering stop, raising stop losses, everything is posted. And the best part, and here, I posted all of my members, the executions. The best part about this is you don't have to be in front of your computer all day, right? You don't have to be in front of your computer every single day the way we trade Forex, because most of our trades are done on a 4-hour chart and a daily chart, so they're mostly all swing trades, you know, so that's the best part about it. And with the private Twitter, the cool thing is you can set it up. You can put your mobile number in here, right? You can put your phone number, so that every time we take a trade, every time a new position is called out, you will get a text message, SMS alert straight to your phone, and all you got to do is pull up your trading app on your computer or your phone or your tablet. Just put the same orders in that I'm putting. Here's my entry order, here's my stop loss order, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. So again, hope you guys enjoyed the short little trade review. Again, I wanted to show this video to show you how the exact same patterns that we do teach in our courses work every single week. So check us out. Thank you. Anmol here, signing out. Take care.
Hey.